Hello everyone. I'm a sophomore here at West Virginia University. I'm here today to walk you through the process of printing at WVU from a personal computer. Now, you might be wondering, how do you print at WVU? Whether you're an incoming freshman or perhaps a returning student that has never printed before, printing on campus can be easily overlooked. I know when I was a freshman, I was nervous to print for the first time. That is nothing to be ashamed about. I'm here today to walk you through the steps so that your first experience of printing is stress-free. This includes the printer locations and the printing procedures for those with PCs. Now let's get started. First off, there are many different locations on campus where you can find a printer. The most common locations are residence halls and WVU libraries. If you are living in a residence hall, you can often find a printer near the front desk or in the main lobby. If you plan on printing at a WVU library, you can visit either the downtown or Evansdale location. Once you have established the location of a printer you plan on using, it's time to print. How do you go about the process of printing from here? First, you will need to search myprinting.wvu.edu/myprintcenter/ in a web browser. This will then take you to a login page. From here, you will need to use your WVU username and password. This will be the same login you use to access eCampus. Once you are logged in, you can upload the file you want to print into the corresponding upload section of the printing website. You will notice that the printing website will accept a variety of different files. We're almost there. Next, you will swipe your WVU ID through the card reader on the printer. The card reader will be located on the right-hand side of the printer. Through my first time printing here at WVU, finding the card reader was the most challenging step. This will bring you to a page on the printer screen where you can select the files that you want to print. From here, all you will have to do is press the blue Start button, and your papers will print out shortly after. When you print, keep in mind that it costs about 6 cents per page to print. Mounty Bounty is used from your student ID to pay for your printed pages, so make sure you have a balance that satisfies your printing necessities prior to printing. You can find your Mounty Bounty balance by typing My Mountaineer card into a web browser. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you need further assistance, always feel free to reach out to one of the librarians or front desk workers who would be more than happy to assist you. Thank you for watching.